it's Nicole with American Paving Design. We're excited about the opportunity to work with you on your upcoming permeable paver project. We understand that you probably have a lot of questions about permeable pavers, so to make this process as easy as possible, we've compiled the following video. Now sit back, relax, and listen to our team answer the most commonly asked permeable paving questions.
It's hurricane season! Well, not really. Hey guys, Steve with American Paving Design here, and let me tell you, it is always hurricane season here in the Low Country. Anybody who's ever been stuck outside between 4 and 5 o'clock in the afternoon on a hot day knows what I'm talking about. Alright, so you're soaked, you're drenched. What are the other problems that can come from this? So if you've got hardscapes, maybe some concrete, maybe a pool deck or a patio that's holding a little bit of water, you know what I'm talking about. You got a little bit of water. It's not a whole lot. Maybe it's just a quarter inch or half an inch. And it dries up if the sun stays out. And then bam! Another hurricane. Well, another afternoon, rainstorm here in the Low Country. And it's soaked again. Just when it started to dry out. Now, after a while, you get this black mildew that grows on there. You got to pressure wash it. It's slippery. It's disgusting. You're telling your kids, don't step over there. All right, what's the solution? So, you've got nowhere to put this water. This water's got nowhere to go. We'll send it down below. So there's a product. It's called a permeable paver. What we do, we install a rock bed underneath, maybe 6-7 inches, maybe more, maybe a little bit less. Just depends on how big the area is. And install the pavers on top. The pavers are permeable, which means they let the water right down through and they suck it down in. Let me tell you, it does wonders. No more puddles, all right? This water is gonna go down to the paver, work its way into the ground. No more having to worry about the water running off. Is it gonna go into my yard? Is it gonna go make it to the road? Is it gonna come back into my garage? Down below. If your water's got nowhere to go, let's send it down below.
People often ask, how are permeable pavers installed? That's a great question. Permeable pavers allow water to flow easily through the joints and back into the ground, making them extremely eco-friendly. Although permeable pavers look like standard pavers, they're installed a little bit differently than the regular concrete pavers. When installing permeable pavers, first our crew will remove the existing material and will grade the area correctly. Once the excavation is complete, we install a geotextile fabric that keeps separation between the soil and the clean aggregates. We then install 4 to 8 inches of 57 stone depending on the drainage needed. Then over the larger 57 stone, we install 1 to 2 inches of 89 stone, which is a finer rock, which helps to further stabilize the base. Once the base is laid, we will then begin to install the permeable pavers. When the paver installation is complete, we will then fill the joints with additional 89 stone and complete with concrete edging around the exterior of the project. How much do permeable pavers cost? Many homeowners choose permeable pavers to help eliminate puddling and drainage issues from areas like driveways, walkways, and patios. Since installing permeable pavers on your project requires more steps than normal pavers, the price can be more expensive than standard brick pavers. The installation cost of permeable pavers can vary between $14 and $18 a square foot. Keep in mind that this is an average cost, and it does depend on the project type, paver size, and the manufacturing quantity order, and the area that you live in.
Now you may be wondering the size options that are available for permeable pavers. Well, permeable pavers are generally 80 millimeters thick or 3 1/8 inches. Depending on the manufacturer that you select, you will have a variety of style and color options to choose from. Although most of our clients use a standard 4x8 permeable paver, you can also get permeable pavers in a multitude of combinations, including 3-piece options, turf block, 8x8s, and more. So if you're looking at having permeable pavers installed, ask your contractor to guide you through selecting the best permeable paver for your project. We are going to talk about the usage of permeable pavers on residential driveways. Since we live in a coastal area, people often ask if we can use permeable pavers on their residential driveways, and the answer is yes. Permeable pavers are eco-friendly and are specifically designed to allow water to filtrate through the joints and recycle back into the ground. These pavers are perfect for homeowners who deal with annoying surface puddling and drainage issues. Since many manufacturers produce permeable pavers, you have the ability to choose from a variety of paver styles and color options. Most permeable pavers are offered in 80 millimeters so that they can withstand the weight of both residential and commercial vehicles. So if you are looking at permeable pavers for your next hardscape project and you want to get more information on installing permeable pavers or how much a permeable paver driveway would cost, then head on over to our video library. Here you guys can get all the information that you need for planning your next paver driveway installation.